Winter is finally over, but all that snow, salt, and sand took its toll on your vehicles. Make sure your growing business is prepared for the busy summer season ahead. Get your vehicles ready with everything you're going to throw at them this season with maintenance and parts from Boyer Trucks. Boyer Trucks is a proud Isuzu Circle of Excellence service provider. Our 6 state-of-the-art service facilities can perform all maintenance necessary on your Isuzu work vehicles, and all the work performed is done by certified Isuzu Technicians. Whether it's a quick oil change or a full engine replacement, we've got you covered. Boyer Trucks also offers a huge selection of genuine Isuzu and FleetValue parts to all of our customers. Come into any of our 9 part showrooms today, or order your parts over the phone and we'll ship them right to you. Free same-day local delivery is also available. You and your business have a busy summer work season ahead of you. Don't get sidelined by a downed vehicle. Let Boyer Trucks take care of all your Isuzu parts and maintenance needs now, so you can cruise into summer with a peace of mind knowing your work vehicles can handle everything you throw at them this summer. Call 612-441-5737 or visit us online at BoyerTrucks.com today to schedule your service and to order the parts you need to keep your business moving this season. Boyer Trucks helps you get the job done.